so delighted to be back with you again. Appreciate you all for coming by. Okay, so it's been a while, and I just came up with this short video on how to repair your sewing machine. Okay, so these are the works that we've been doing or we've done for a while. So I welcome you back to Alina's Fashion. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new to this. Okay, so subscribe to my channel. Be glad to have you if you're new. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about punching or thread jamming. This is what it looks like. Okay, okay, or bird nesting. This is what can even cause a pucker in the fabric, like I've seen this one. Okay, so I've loosened the shuttle. Okay, this is it. I've loosened it from the stitch plate. I removed it from underneath here. Okay, so I'm going to be adjusting this tension spring. Okay, I'm going to be adjusting it also from the presser foot. So first of all, I'll just take up the lever, this thread, this lever here. I'm going to take it up. So before you thread your needle, you take the thread, take up lever up, just take it up like this, okay, so that the pressure foot will be up, this lever is up also. Then you start threading your machine again. So this is one of the way to make sure that you don't have this bulging, okay, or bursting or whatsoever, thread jamming or whatsoever it is called. So just retread the sewing machine. Whenever you have a problem and it's occurring at the bottom, please retread the upper thread, okay? Make it slip down between the thread tension. So I've fixed it, and then make sure the needle is well positioned. Then you're going to be testing it. So just test it again to see if there'll be any thread jamming on the bottom of the material. Okay, so I've checked it. No, nothing like that. It means the problem is solved. Make sure the take up lever is up when you're threading your machine, and then make sure that the thread slip in between the thread tension. So I'm going to be stitching again to see, tighten the thread tension. I'll stitch again to see if there's any bulging or bird nesting. Okay, and then I'll compare it again with the first fabric, that the first dress I was trying to make before. So here it is. There's nothing like that. It's all nice and smooth. Okay, it's not like the first one. Just make sure the tension is not improper. This is the first dress I was making. Get a pocket there, and this is the second one I've done. So this is how to solve this problem. I'll see you next time from Alina's Fashion.